welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making cranberry bread. Very easy, very simple recipe. A few ingredients. You can do this in no time at all. First thing I want to do is I want to preset my oven to 400. Alright, we have that preset. It is heating up. So let's get going. We have 2 cups of flour. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg slightly beaten. This is where we just start mixing. So our dough starts getting some moisture in it. To this mixture, we're going to add 3/4 cup buttermilk, 1/4 cup of oil. You can use any type of oil for this. I've used regular vegetable oil in this. And we're going to mix this up. You don't have to have any fancy gadgets to do this. A bowl and a fork, that's all I'm using. Now that our dough is mixed up, we're adding in a 1/2 cup of sugar. I know, more sugar. To this mixture, our last ingredient is fresh or frozen cranberries. You want 1 cup, you want them rinsed. You don't want them cooked. They'll cook in the oven. Now I'm just using a bread loaf pan, and we're going to put the mixture in here. All right, this will fill your loaf pan about halfway to 2/3, and that's what you want. What I do is I want to get all the air bubbles out, so I kind of let it settle. Okay, my oven just told me it's time to put it in. What I am doing is using the upper oven, and we're just going to put this in. Now this will bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 400, and we'll see in a bit. Alright, it's time to take our cranberry bread out of our oven. Oh, it looks good. We're going to let this cool for about 10 minutes. And here we have our cranberry bread for you to enjoy throughout all the holidays. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Have a great holiday season. Bye!